Start with the magic ring. And then make 6 single crochet into the ring. Tighten the ring, then make a slip stitch and chain 1. Now we make 2 single crochet into each stitch. By the end of the round you should have 12 single crochet. Slip stitch, chain 1 and make 2 single crochet into the first stitch and 1 single crochet into the next one, and alternate till the end of the round. 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. Slip stitch and chain 1. In this round we are going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch, so by the end of the round you should again have 18 single crochet. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. And now make the second one of this and make sure that you leave on one of them quite long tail, because we will need to stitch them with the middle. And I also got this keychain clip, so we can use it to make actually keychain. Now sew 2 stitches from each circle together. And don't forget to put the keychain clip between if you have one. If you don't, it's fine, you just pick 2 stitches on each side and sew like shown in the video. Make sure to use only 2 stitches from each circle, not more, because we will need to have 32 single crochet after. Attach the yarn on the side that you prefer, then make 1 chain and single crochet into the same stitch. And single crochet around. When you reach the gap between 2 circles, you can do this trick actually to have no gap. So we insert the hook into our stitch that we did to join the circles, and then to the stitch on the other side, which means on the other circle, and make a single crochet. So it's going to look like single crochet 2 together. And it's not necessary though, only if you see that the gap is too big between these 2 sides. And as I already mentioned, you should get 32 single crochet, not more, not less. So we slip stitch, chain 1, and now we are going to make single crochet in the next 6 stitches, and then it's going to be a decrease. A decrease is going to be single crochet 2 together. And now repeat 6 single crochet and then single crochet 2 together. In this round we are going to single crochet in each stitch. Round 9. Single crochet in 5 stitches, then single crochet 2 together, and repeat the round. In this round, make 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches and then a decrease, which is 2 single crochet together, and repeat the round. By the end you should get 20 single crochet. Round 11. Single crochet into the next 3 stitches, then single crochet 2 together, and repeat. Round 12. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then single crochet 2 together, and repeat the round. By the end you should get 12 stitches. And start stuffing your heart with whatever stuffing that you have, like cotton or some special things. Now make 1 single crochet and then single crochet 2 together. And in this final round just make single crochet 2 together. Then you're going to cut the yarn and use the needle to close the bottom. And that's it. I hope it was useful. Hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my other tutorials. Bye!